Yes, ma'am.
Now, any kind of noise you are encountering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Background noise is there?
Not now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you mute your mic. Okay, another sir is taking the class. I think that is why you are getting the noise. So, what we are discussing in the last class?
Wrapped array.
Ragged array.
Right,
Are
ma'am.
you clear what is an ragged array? Are you clear with the ragged array, or I will continue with what is it?
No, ma'am. Please repeat that.
Okay.
What is the question?
Okay. Yes. Ragged array. So this one is the array where rows will have different column values. Okay, here the rows will have different column values. Someone is saying something. Saisri, are you? I'm not audible to you.
It's my connection.
Okay, so a racked array is an array where the rows will have different number of columns. Now this is my array. Okay, now here how many rows I am having? In this particular case, let I am having 3 rows. Okay, number of rows are 3, but in each case the number of columns are different. Just a minute. Now sir is audible to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So here in the ranked array, here each row it is having different number of column. So here how many rows are there? I have created 3 rows are there, and in each row we will have different column numbers. Different column, or we are having different column नहीं तो क्या होगा? Each row will have different size. हर एक रो का size क्या होगा? Different रहेगा. Okay, now here I am writing one code. Just check it out. Then we are going to do it in Eclipse. Let here I am declaring an array int a. So what will be the size of the, how many rows should I take? Tell me कितना size लेंगे रो का? Here I am going with the number of sizes 3. Okay, so अब क्या हो गया? A, it is a matrix here we are creating, and in this matrix how many rows we have created? Three rows created, but in each row we are going to have different number of columns. So in order to have different number of columns, now let here first A0. So in A0, let we are going to have size new int 3. तो A0 का साइज कितना हो जाएगा? 3. Okay, just check it carefully. Here is the matrix. Zero. Here we are having 3. 0, 1, 2. Next A1. A1. Now what will be the size of A1? A1 का size कितना लेंगे? What will be the size of 1? बताओ. Let here I am taking the size as 2. तो यहाँ size कितना हो गया? How many cells are there in A1? 2. A2. Now let I am having A2 with size 4. Now let this is my 2. Now here I am having the size 4. Are you clear up to this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I have created 3 rows, and each particular row I have created different size. So in order to take the input, I need to write the for loop. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than a of I dot length a dot length and I plus plus. So instead of a dot length, can I write here 3? Length क्या है? What is length? Length it is the property of the integer matrix to determine the क्या determine करेगा?
Length of the array.
Length of the array. So here how many rows are there? 3. So instead of a dot length, I can write 3 also, or we can go with a dot length. Then for the j loop, it is used to count the number of columns. Int j is equals to 0, j is less than a of I dot length, j plus plus. Now check this line, a of I. So when I is equals to 0, so for loop क्या होगा? J equals to 0, j less than a0 dot length. A0 dot length में कितना है? What is the length of a0? 3. तो यहाँ पर j कहाँ तक जाएगा? A0 dot length means here j is less than 3. Okay. And यहाँ पर वैल्यू क्या स्टोर होगा? A I j is equals to sa dot next int. Are you clear? Are you clear this part? A0 dot length. A0 dot length कितना है? 3 है. So when my I value is equals to 1.
Ma'am, please explain
Then,
it again.
Yes?
Ma'am, please explain that part again.
हाँ, I am repeating it. Okay? Check it. देखो, यहाँ पर I का वैल्यू कितना है? I less than a dot length. A dot length मतलब क्या है? Length of the array निकाल रहा है. ये क्या है? It is a 2D matrix, isn't it? ये 2D मैट्रिक्स है, तो a डॉट लेंथ में वो क्या रिटर्न करेगा? कितना तुम्हारा रोज है? सो व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ रोज हियर? 3. तो यहाँ पर कितना आ गया? 3 आ गया. दिस इज फॉर माई आई लूप. So when my I is equals to 0, ये क्या हो गया, I less than 3, ये सही है ना, I plus plus. Okay, now come to the J loop. I का वैल्यू जब 0 हो गया, for I and T J is equals to 0, यहाँ पर J कितना है, less than A of I में कितना है अभी, what is the value at I?
0.
0. So A0 dot length, A0 मतलब ये कौन सा है, अरे A0 का लेंथ कितना है तुम्हारा,
3.
what is the length of A0?
3.
हाँ 3 है, तो ये क्या हो गया, J is less than 3, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, J plus plus. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नाउ अब बताओ, मेरा I का वैल्यू जब 1 होगा, 1 लेस देन 3, कंडीशन इज ट्रू, अगेन J लूप चलेगा, तो J का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, J इज 0, J लेस देन A, यहाँ पर कितना आ गया, A1 डॉट लेंथ, तो A1 डॉट लेंथ मतलब कितना है तुम्हारा, A1 का लेंथ कितना है,
2.
2.
व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, 2, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, J लेस देन 2, और ये क्या हो गया, J प्लस प्लस. आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट, यहाँ पर ये जो लेंथ है, दिस पार्ट विल कंप्यूट द लेंथ मींस नंबर ऑफ रोज, और ये AI डॉट लेंथ है, ये क्या कंप्यूट करेगा, कॉलम, हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स यू आर हैविंग इन ईच रो. ओके, बिकॉज as it is a 2D मैट्रिक्स, अगर 1D होता A डॉट लेंथ मतलब वो मैट्रिक्स, वो अरे में कितना वैल्यू है वो उसको प्रिंट करता है. So this part is for the inserting element, and to get the output के लिए हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, int I equals to 0, I less than A dot length, I plus plus, or int J is equals to 0, J is less than AI dot length, J plus plus. System dot out dot print, यहाँ पर प्रिंट क्या होगा, AI and AJ. आर यू क्लियर? समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आई एम आस्किंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट. सबको समझ में आया?
Yes.
सुधांशु, सुपर,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभिषेक पटनायक, अभिषेक पटनायक. ओके ओके, दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू चेक ईच एंड एवरीवन्स कॉपी. सबका कॉपी देखूंगी. अच्युत,
Yes, ma'am.
आलेख, आर यू देयर? आलेख, okay, now come to the code देख लो. we will move to the next part. Okay, here I am declaring one array or matrix equals to new int, let here 3. Okay, take here a0 is equals to new int 3, then a1 equals to new int. So what is the size I have taken? 2. Then a2, what is the size here? a2 का साइज कितना है? A dot length I plus plus, and here for the j part int j is equals to 0, j is less than a of I dot a of I j equals to sa dot next int. Then in order to display the value, okay, now I will run the code. देखो आ गया आउटपुट.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting different rows with different column value?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so note down this part. We will move to the next section. Have you noted it down? Is it clear, sir?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm erasing this part. Okay. there is another one, matrix multiplication. I am just discussing the concept. We are going to do it in the lab tomorrow. Okay, I am not going to do the program today. We will start with the class and object concept. Now I am having one matrix. All of you know how to multiply two matrix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what is the prerequisite of multiplying two matrices? Can I multiply these two matrices? A matrix with dimension 2 and 3 and matrix with dimension 3 and 2. Can I multiply this two?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I multiply the matrix with this dimension? One matrix with dimension 2, 2, another one is 2, 3, 2.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So what is the basic thing that we should know? When we are going to multiply the two matrix, the number of
Columns.
columns should be
First
equal to
matrix.
number of
Rows in second matrix.
rows. This is first matrix and this one is second matrix. Okay, so based on this concept, we are going to do the matrix multiplication. Now here I have defined two matrices of dimension 3, 3. So this is a matrix of dimension 3 cross 3 and this one is also 3 cross 3. So here I am just providing some numbers. Okay. So now when I am going to multiply the two matrix, how we are going to multiply it? Isn't it? This is the basic order. कुछ ऐसे करके मैथ्स में मल्टीप्लाई करते हो आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are going to do here? We are going to write for this particular value 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So this is 0 0 into 0 0. Then 0 1 is multiplied with 1 0. 0 2 and this one is 2 0. Similarly, for this particular value 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. ये क्या आ गया? 0 0 0 1 0 1. This is 1 1 0 2 and this is 2 1. I am right? ये सही है ना? देखो तो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to multiply in this order. So how we are going to write our code in Java in order to multiply in this way? Code कैसे लिखेंगे? So ये क्या है? This is my resultant matrix. Now this is my A matrix. This is my B matrix. Whenever I am going to multiply, I will find the result in the कहाँ पर स्टोर होगा? C मैट्रिक्स में. So C मैट्रिक्स में तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, then add. When you are performing multiplication, then क्या परफॉर्म कर रहे हो? Addition. So number of series of operations you are going to perform. So how you are going to do it? कैसे करोगे? Anyone? Anyone having any idea?
Now repeat.
Yes. कैसे करोगे? So for this I क्या है? ये जो C मैट्रिक्स है, in C मैट्रिक्स how we are going to store the value? पहले रो में फिल अप करेंगे. Okay, रो एंड कॉलम में वैल्यू स्टोर होगा. We are going to store the value in rows and column. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
In C matrix, we are going to store the values in terms of rows and column. So ये I loop क्या है? It is just going to count the number of, क्या count करेगा? Number of rows. And your J loop will use to count the number of
Columns.
column. Here we are going to take another loop that is going to do this multiplication part. Okay. Here Cij is set to 0. तो initially यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 0 रहेगा. So we are going to take a K loop for int K is equals to 0, K is less than 3. So ये 3 क्यों लिखा गया है? It is just counting this value. K है तुम्हारा ये value. Either number of columns of the first matrix or the number of rows of the second matrix. Remember this point. K is this value. This one is your I. ये J है. Because the resultant matrix का size कितना होगा तुम्हारा? If the matrix is taken in 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2, what will be the C matrix dimension? C matrix का dimension कितना होगा? 2 cross 2. Okay, now here you are multiplying 2, 3 cross 3. So what will be the resultant matrix dimension?
3 cross 3.
3 cross 3. So ये जो value है इसको हम लोग क्या लेंगे? K. So this is your K value. Either the number of columns of the first matrix or the number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, so for K equals to 0, K less than 3, K plus plus. C Ij is equals to Cij plus क्या होगा बताओ तो अभी?
AIK.
ये क्या है? I, this one is K. IK, ये क्या हो जाएगा? K and this value is AIK into BKJ. Are you getting? Kamru. Are you getting? यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? Okay, ये K है, तो ये है ना this value. It is represented by K. So Cij plus AIK into BKJ, and here K loops end. Okay, this will continue. इसके ये जो K loop के use करके तुम लोग क्या करोगे? You are going to find out the values for a particular cell. हर एक cell का value निकालोगे. Okay, this much code is for the matrix multiplication. In detail, we are going to do it in the lab. Are you clear? Okay, just note on this. We will start with class and object.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the ragged array, ma'am, it's showing debug current instruction pointer. Ma'am, when I'm inputting the values.
Okay, we will check it in the lab. Okay.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
tomorrow's lab, we are going to rectify the error.
Okay, ma'am.
Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I am erasing the screen. So now next comes to our chapter. That one is your class and object, or introduction to object oriented programming. Okay, so that I will read with you something. This one is your textbook.
Ma'am, your voice
Okay,
is
just
breaking.
have a look to its book.
Voice break.
Just a minute, just a minute. Is my voice is breaking now?
No, ma'am, not breaking. It's audible.
Okay. Okay. Now this one is your textbook. Just check it. Data structure and algorithms. I'm going to share the book with you. Okay. Author name here is Michael Goodrich, Robert Tamassia, and Goldswitzer. Okay. This book I'm going to share with you. Data structures and algorithms in Java. We are going to have this one with you. You can just have the cover page of the book. Shortly I will share with you the book. Now we will today start introduction to class and object. That is your object oriented programming. Anyone do you have any idea regarding the object oriented programming? Do you have any idea regarding object oriented programming? Have you learnt in your plus 2 or 10?
No, ma'am.
कोई भी नहीं पढ़े हो? Object oriented programming approach. I just want to know.
ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं और फिर उसका यूज करते हैं.
Object बनाते हो फिर use करते हो. And any one of you? Harish?
भूल गए मैं.
नहीं है. One नहीं है. Anyone have you any idea? Truptiman?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am. Okay. Class and object का concept किसी को पता है? Size 3? Deep? Deep, are you there? मीका पता है?
कौन इसे लाइन पता है पूरा लाइक क्लास एक ऐसा कोड होता है जो क्या बोलते हैं प्राइवेसी देता है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट से ही उसे एक्सेस कर सकता है.
Kitty? Okay. Nika. Kitty, do you have any idea? Akars? Abhishek? Aditya? Akanksha? Okay, you know it. I don't want the definition of class and object. I want to know how many of you know the concepts. Amitya? Ankit? Ankit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shivam, you know. Okay, those who know the concepts of class and object, just raise your hands. Aisha? Okay. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Ayushman? Vishal? Okay, Ayushman, you know it. Size 3. Vishal. Harish? Gurman?
Not completely, ma'am.
Not completely, but you know somehow. Yes?
Some-
I'm not going to ask you any questions. Okay, I just want to know whether you know it or you don't know it. It's a class. We should discuss with each other. Otherwise, how we will know? मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा कि तुम लोगों को आता है नहीं आता है? How should I proceed? Okay. Kamal? Okay. Manish? You can respond me by in the chat box also. Nishant? Nishikant? Pradipta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Pradyumna, I am going. No. Rabin?
No, ma'am.
Sagar? Sagar? Samriddhi? Okay. Okay. Shivam? Saurabh? Okay. Okay then. So few of you know it and few of you don't know it. The concept of class and object. Anyways, we will start it with the very beginning. Okay, I'm not going to skip any part. And remember this thing, before I start the concept of class and object, I must tell you it is purely based on the concept. What we are going to learn is the fundamental concepts of object oriented programming. Using this concept, we are going to design some advanced programming. Okay, and this is your foundation. Again, I am repeating it. मैं किसी को यहाँ पर गाली नहीं दे रही हूँ. I am not going to scold you anyone. Okay, here we are discussing. This is the platform where we are discussing. We are giving our views. I am sharing some information and discussing something with you. कहीं पर भी किसी को कुछ भी डाउट होता है, काइंडली आस्क मी. मुझे पूछना. ओके, पूछोगे. डोंट फील शाय टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस इन द क्लास. जब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा, ट्राई टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. अगर नहीं पूछोगे, डजंट मैटर. मुझे कोर्स खत्म करना है. आई विल कंप्लीट द कोर्स. ओके, लेकिन तुम लोगों को जानना है. यू नीड टू नो द कंसेप्ट. ओके, यू नीड टू नो द कंसेप्ट. आई अगर नहीं पूछोगे तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा. मैं कोर्स खत्म करके चली जाऊंगी, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बिकॉज आई एम हियर टू कंप्लीट द कोर्स. आई विल कंप्लीट इट. बट पढ़ाई तुम्हें जानना तुम लोगों को है. सो until and unless you are going to ask me questions, I will don't know ना, मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा. So it's my request that you are going to ask me the doubts whenever you are having. So let me start with the concepts of class and object. And this is not a physical. We are doing online virtual mode. Okay. So better don't feel shy. Ask me the questions anytime you feel free to ask. Okay. Introduction to class and object. So what is an object? Class and object. What do you mean by object? Anyone having any idea? All of you there? सब हो ना? I'm just switching on my video. Am I visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
check. What I am holding? मैं क्या पकड़ी हूँ?
Object.
हाँ, what it is? Which kind of object it is?
Display.
बताओ अभी अच्छे से देख के बताओ ये क्या है?
Phone.
Phone. Again here I am showing you something. What it is?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Again it is an object है. Again here I will show you something. Again, this one is the object.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a box carrying some liquids within it. Okay, this is an object. Now, again, I will come back to this water bottle. Now, this is the object. So, your object में क्या है? Do you have some properties of this object?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ये क्या है? This one is the water bottle. Okay, this one is the water bottle. Again, this one is also a water bottle. So ये दोनों में ये similarities है. These two have some similarities.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ये दोनों का काम क्या है? What is the work of these two bottles?
What to carry?
Store the water.
It is used to store water. Okay, now it is different from this one. ये bottle इससे अलग है. Okay, इससे भी अलग है. Again, this is a bottle, but it is containing some other thing. Okay, so ये दोनों क्या है? These two are of same type. Now, the group of objects having similar properties are known as
Object, ma'am.
Class.
ये दोनों एक ही होते हैं. ये दोनों के पास similar property है. इन दोनों को लेके क्या बोलते हैं? We will call it as class. Okay. So what is an object then? Object, it is a real-time entity. तुम लोग देख के बताओ. General definition. I am not asking any technical definition. General definition, you just say me. क्या है definition? It is an real-time entity. Okay, object is an real-time entity and it is having some property. कुछ property है object का. क्या क्या property है water bottle का? What are the properties of the water bottle?
It can store water. It has volume, something like that.
It has volume. It is store water. और कुछ property नहीं है. देखो तो. It doesn't have any shape, size, color नहीं है इसका.
Yes, ma'am.
It is having some color. Okay, and this जो that you called it as a cap. इसका wide होता है. Someone has having the narrow cap. Okay, so it has some properties. So here I am writing the object. Here is water bottle. So what are the properties of this bottle? It has some color. It has shape. It has a capacity. So capacity क्या है? It's showing us how much water it will contain. Okay, so these are the some properties of this water bottle. So if you have same type of properties with another bottle, they are grouping together to make it as a उसको क्या ग्रुप करते हो? You group together to form a
Class.
class. So ये सभी bottles के properties, all the bottles will have the similar properties with them. सारे bottles का properties क्या होगा? Same रहेगा. They will have color. They will have some shape. They will have some capacity. If it is holding 1 liter, ये 500 liter milliliter. It may having 250 milliliter storing capacity, and some may have 2 liters of storing capacity. Okay, and everyone will have the same properties. कि properties कुछ change होगा. Does the water bottle have different properties apart from this?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
और कुछ different होगा जो same नहीं होगा? So tell me another object name. Tell me another. Yes.
Ma'am, books.
Ma'am, smartphone.
Books.
Very good. Smartphone. Smartphone. Now you are coming out. Books. Then. Okay, ये तो तुम लोग का नहीं. हाँ, बोलो.
Watches.
Watches. Very good. So, what are the properties of this smartphone? बताओ तो.
And they are smart and all
RAM,
functions.
then
Internet.
display screen size,
Display screen size, then RAM, then
Then ROM.
battery,
ROM, बैटरी. हाँ, और क्या प्रॉपर्टीज हैं? प्रोसेसर,
Camera.
operating system,
camera. Okay,
Processor.
OS. So you now tell me a list. Processor, हाँ लिख चुकी हूँ. So now you are purchasing a smartphone based on these properties, isn't it?
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
ma'am.
You are checking all these properties while you are purchasing it. ये सब check करते हो, compare करते हो. Now
Build
every
quality.
smartphone build quality, okay. So every smartphone, सबके पास smartphone है. Everyone is having smartphone. तो smartphone
No,
क्या
ma'am.
हो गया अपना? What is smartphone?
Class.
It is having a number of it is having a number of object with it. बहुत सारे objects हैं. So we can call it as a class.
Yes ma'am.
ओके, तो क्लास में क्या रहता है? प्रॉपर्टीज भी रहता है. और स्मार्टफोन का काम क्या है बताओ तो? व्हाट इज द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ द स्मार्टफोन? व्हाई यू आर यूजिंग स्मार्टफोन?
Communicate.
यस,
And web surfing,
Make the work
communication,
two persons tell me at the same time. Just tell me one by one.
and communication, web surfing, entertainment, something like that.
Communication, entertainment. Okay, so और क्या है? Web surfing. You are using smartphone for this particular use. Okay, तो class क्या है now? Can you tell me what is a class? अब ये class हो गया तुम्हारा bottle. Now in this bottle class you have some properties. Properties क्या है? Color है, shape है, capacity है. और ये bottle का काम क्या है? What is the work of this bottle? Functionality.
To store water.
To store water. So every object has some properties and it is having some operation, isn't it?
Yes.
So class क्या है? Class it is a group of objects. So
Similar
class
objects.
क्या है? It is a group of objects. Similar objects. Yes, it is a group of similar objects and it is having some properties and also it is having some functionality. So in general or in just comes to our technical, so class क्या है? Class it is a blueprint. It is having some properties or some data types. It has some methods to be performed on those data type. Okay, ये जो तुम लोग बताए ना, you just tell me like display, RAM, ROM, battery for the smartphone. These are what? These are the properties of the object. And ये object के ऊपर जो functionality हम कर रहे हो, can I call it as a method or a function?
Yes ma'am.
That is to be performed on the object.
Yes ma'am.
So in general, what is an object? Just note it down. Object is a instance of a class. Okay. So in general, we can say it as a object. क्या है? Object is a instance of class. Okay. And more precisely, can I say it? An object is a physical as well as logical entity. बोल सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट को physical and a logical entity. Are you there?
What is the meaning of instance here?
Instance. Instance, it is one instance is nothing but a part. मतलब एक part है वो class का. Now suppose I have a number of bottles. Okay, बहुत सारे bottles है. They are grouped together to a particular class. वो सबको क्या किया गया है? Group किया गया है for a particular class. So एक bottle, one particular bottle will be what?
Object instance of that class.
One particular bottle will be the instance. Of a class. Now suppose student. Instance in general you can call it as a single occurrence. Group है. So class it is a group. Object it is a type of a one particular. So then it is an instance of a class.
Voice is
Now
breaking.
student. लोगों का section क्या है?
Voice
My
is
voice
break.
is breaking. Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. Now I am audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now my voice is breaking.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
now suppose now you are students, group of students, you belongs to which section?
009.
009. Now size 3 क्या है? 009 की
Object.
object. Can I say size 3 is an instance? It is a single individual one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, that is called the instance of a class. Okay, hers. Now hers is a instance of your section 009.
Yes. ma'am.
Kamrup. So each individual are the instance of your class 009. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So तुम लोग का you have some properties. So as if student it is a class, then तुम लोग का properties क्या है बताओ? What are the properties? You are the instance of the class. Then what are the properties?
Knowledge.
How you are going to identify? Knowledge वो सब नहीं चाहिए. How you are being identified?
Name, registration number.
Registration number.
Yes, ma'am.
Name. Registration number. Then date of joining, on which year you have joined.
Date of admission.
What
yes,
is the branch? Date of admission, branch, and to which section you belongs to. We only need students लोग से हमें बस इतना ही चाहिए. And the most important one is your marks, isn't it? These are the basic properties of the student. है कि नहीं? And what are the functions or operations that are being performed on the student class?
Studying.
Ma'am, various activities and
Monitoring. Result. So these are the some exams. Okay,
Yes.
these are the basic operations performed on the student class, isn't it?
and attendance.
Attendance, result, ये सब है. Okay, so now come to the definition part. So object is a physical as well as logical entity. So just another in general definition, just write down. An entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. So, for example, bike, pen, car, bottle, marker. So these are the some examples of objects. Are you clear? Objects have three characteristics or three properties. One is the state. It represents the data or the value of an object. The next one is your behavior. Okay, behavior क्या है? ये object क्या काम करेगा? Okay, it represents the behavior of the object. And next one is the identity. How you are going to identify the object. Okay, these are the three characteristics of an object. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Just note it down. The definition: object is an instance of a class. Object is a physical entity, or these are the different definitions for the object. Object is a physical as well as the logical entity. An entity that has state and behavior is known as the object. Now, basically object have three characteristics. One is the state, the one is behavior, and the other one is the identity. State, it basically represents the data. Okay, behavior, how the object is behaving, and how you are going to identify the object. Now this identification, it should be uniquely. How uniquely an object is identified. Okay? Are you clear up to this much?
And state means like the registration number of a student.
Yes?
And state, what is that? I cannot understand.
State, it is state, it represents the data value of an object. मतलब तुम्हारा identity हो गया तुम्हारा registration number. Okay? And behavior, how a student object is going to behave, वो उसका characteristics है. And state मतलब उसका सब कुछ value है ना? It contains some value like your marks. Okay? So each student, it is having some marks, attendance. Okay, that is represents your state.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you. We will continue again in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.